Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A caption in Word is a numbered label that you can apply to objects, equations, and tables within documents. This makes it easy to reference them in your document's text, as there is an easily recognizable label on the object. To add a caption in Word, first select the object, table, or equation to which to apply a caption. Then click the References tab in the ribbon. Then click the Insert Caption button in the Captions button group to open the Caption dialog box. Choose the label for your caption by clicking the Label drop-down and then choosing either the equation, figure, or table choice. Your selection then appears in the Caption text field. Choose the position for your label by clicking the drop-down of the same name and selecting either the Above Selected Item or Below Selected Item choice. To only show the caption's number, check the Exclude Label from Caption checkbox. To create a new label, click the New Label button to open the New Label dialog box. Enter a name into the label field, and then click the OK button to add your new label into the label list. You may delete labels you have created, but you cannot delete the default labels. To delete a label you created, choose the label from the label list within the Caption dialog box. Then click the Delete Label button to immediately delete it. To change the caption's numbering, click the Numbering button. Then choose how to number your caption in the Caption Numbering dialog box. Then click the OK button when finished to return to the Caption dialog box. To apply the caption, then click the OK button. You can also set Word to automatically caption objects when you insert them into a document. In the Caption dialog box, click the Auto Caption button to launch the Auto Caption dialog box. Then use the checkboxes in the Add Caption when inserting list to choose what to automatically caption. You can also use the drop-downs and buttons in the Options section to set the caption's formatting. Then click the OK button when you are finished to save the changes. At that point, every time you insert an object that matches a selection you made in the Auto Caption dialog box, Word automatically inserts a caption with that object.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.